Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to connect Etsy to Google Search Console. So connecting Etsy to Google Search Console is limited because Etsy does not allow you to verify or access its main domain, the Etsy.com, okay? So however, you can connect your Etsy shop URL to monitor search performance. So what you can connect, you can track your Etsy shop URL and individual listing URLs, search keywords bringing traffic from Google. And you cannot verify the Etsy.com itself, install tracking code and upload verification files. So the first method is to verify using the URL prefix, and that works. So you will need to go with manage shop and you will find it just on the profile picture on the menu, okay? And after that you will need just to copy the link, right? And then you will need to go with start now, and after that you will need to choose the URL prefix right here. Then just paste your full Etsy shop URL and continue afterward. And now you will need to verify using the HTML tag method. So since you can't upload files to Etsy, you will need to choose HTML tag verification and then just copy the meta tag provided, and now you will need to go back to Etsy, okay? And then just go to the shop manager. You will find it on the place of sale on Etsy, and right there just go to the settings, then select info and appearance and pass the verification meta code inside your shop announcement temporarily, then save. Then just return to the search console and click on verify right here. So actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching and goodbye.